Good morning, students. This is Renuga. I am working as an assistant professor in Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. I belong to BBA department. Today, we are going to discuss about the GST registration. So GST registration is nothing but suppose if any of the person they are going to start a business at that time they are going to register their business under the GST law, that is called the GST registration. In previous video we have discussed about the GST concept and their network framework, everything we discussed in the previous video. So in this video we are going to discuss about the how we are going to register our company as per the GST law. Okay. So GST registration we have to make as per the GST law. We have to make the some process registered under the goods and service tax as per the according to the law. And also after registered or the process once it is over, automatically we can get the unique GSTIN number. That is GSTIN is nothing but goods and service tax identification number. Okay, so this number should be assigned by each and every business people as per the GST law. They have to assign under the process. Okay, next we move to what is the eligibility. Suppose as a business people they are going to register under GST law. So the person they are having a annual turnover exceeds 40 lakhs. Okay, the previous video we discussed this main particular concept. Do you remember, students? That is a GST registration main eligibility. We have to take the two important concept we have to consider. One is goods and another one is services. Suppose if you are going to register your company as per the GST law, you are supplying goods. At that time your annual turnover, okay, or that is a profit, will be exceed 40 lakhs. Okay, and one more eligibility is suppose if you are providing any services, at that time your annual turnover exceeds 20 lakhs. Okay, so this is the main two consideration while we are going to register the your company under GST law. Okay, so the turnover will be exceeding 40 lakhs. It should be coming under the goods supplied, and services it will be coming under the 20 lakhs exceed. Okay, and then next we move to the second eligibility is interstate supplier. Okay, so as a person they must be supply their goods in the category of interstate. Then next, in case any of the business they have to online through they are selling a supply. For example, we are taking the Amazon, Flipkart. Okay, so these are all coming under the eligibility to register their company. The next one is liable to pay reverse charge. Okay, so it's nothing but they have to claim the ITC, that is an input tax credit. Okay, this concept also we discuss in the earlier video. Okay, if you want you can go and check it. The next one is as a person they should be in a resident as a taxable person. The last one is in case suppose if any people they are going to start their new business, they are expecting to get the high turnover. At that time they have to eligible to register their company under the GST law. Okay, next we move to what are the documents when you are supposed to register your company under the GST law. Is nothing but as a person they are supposed to submit PAN card, Aadhaar card, bank detail, address proof, their passport size photograph, and they have to submit their company's registered certificate. Okay, so these are the main important documents required for GST registration. Okay, next we move to what are the types under the GST registration. Okay, so based on the nature of the business, we are going to categorize the some type of registration. First one is regular taxpayer. So as per the rule, they have to pay the tax fall under the category. Then composition scheme is nothing but the it's a small taxpayer, small business people they have to make it as a composition scheme. Then casual taxable person, Last one is input service distributor, that is ISD. So these are the some important category under the GST registration type. Now what is the process it is involved in the GST is nothing but through this diagram only we have to make the process. First we have to log in the website, fill in the information, and we have to provide all your details, then generate the reference number, then fill our details under the registration page, input details we have to give, and also the captcha, everything. Finally you have to save and receive the application reference number. Okay.